Hunter, let's introduce our top-notch chef.
Let's go! First up, it's our Chi-Town Titan Iron Chef, Stephanie Izard! And the Chicago native James Beard Award for Best Chef Great Lakes, Jonathon Sawyer! We have two big apple bros, the native New Yorker and Top Chef winner, Ilan! Oh! And the celebrated chef who's opened restaurants in Brooklyn and Manhattan, Dale Talde!
I want you to do your fair cities proud by preparing a regional feast.
Like that.
With dishes that highlight food that make your cities great. And you know what? You get to do this in 60 minutes. Exactly. So, we're gonna start off with a regional appetizer, which will be due at 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
And your regional entree will be due at the end of the hour. The team with the highest combined score of both dishes will win $15,000 and the gratitude of the entire city. I mean, no better bragging rights than that. Hunter is gonna be offering a 2-for-1 special of unique apple and bean duos. Woo!
Fun stuff.
Apple and bean duos. Together again for the first time. Woo. Both items have to be used in both dishes.
There you go.
There's 3 different aprons on there.
Yep.
Okay?
Got it.
Keep those 2 to the right. Hey, if that one goes missing.
All right, all right, all right.
And why haven't you guys gone anyways?
Huh?
You guys only have 60 minutes. Okay. Didn't they hear the apron thing?
So we're gonna do a Chicago-style dog with our own little twist, right? Korean style.
Right.
Okay, and we're gonna do Chicago Steakhouse, Italian beef style.
The entree.
Let's do cannoli with this.
Okay.
Cannoli with this, and then
Smoked fish.
Smoked fish.
Caviar, a little bit of
Yeah.
cream cheese.
And then for our entree, pork chop parmesan.
This isn't the 95 Knicks versus the Bulls where Michael Jordan comes back. We are reversing that curse.
They all look fantastic. Let's go. We're ready.
90 seconds to go, chefs.
Cannolis are ready?
Yes.
You have our plates lined up?
Yes.
We're getting down to the wire. I pipe the cream inside the cannolis, and it's looking beautiful.
Yeah.
As I'm piping, Ilan's taking our mixture, basically like a caviar apple chive salad, and we're topping each cannoli with it, and he's getting them on the plate.
Hold it up. Upside, other side. Go
3,
again.
2, 1, stop.
We're ready too.
Go.
You guys move into your entree. Chef Izard, up first.
Hi, how are you?
Chef.
We wanted to do a shout out to Chicago Dog, but we also want to shout out that Chicago has so many different cultures represented.
That's very good. That's a good mixture of Chicago, a little Asian.
The apples are nice and tender. The coffee's giving it some bitterness and some richness.
Judges, may I present to you the one and only Chef Talde.
What's up, guys? So, New York City is all about American Italian food, and with Ilan's Jewish heritage, we wanted to give you guys a smoked salmon cannoli with cream cheese, mascarpone, with caviar.
These cannolis are delicious on the outside. They're so crunchy.
We have 20 points available in gameplay, 20 points available in taste, 10 points available in plating for a total of 50. Chefs, I've got scores in the first round. Chicago 43. New York 41. All right, teams, hold up a second. Stop the clock. I want you to show us your sportsmanship and your ability to go next level. I want you to make us a dessert.
Yay! I'll go get ingredients.
Okay.
You keep cooking.
The steakhouse dinner is going to be pretty rich and heavy, so something refreshing to go with that. And the mango nata is a shout out to different neighborhoods in Chicago. When you think of mangoes, tahini, that spice, some tamarind, something that's refreshing and spicy at the same time.
What do you want to do dessert?
New York style cheesecake.
Okay. I think immediately New York style cheesecake because it is so recognizable. People, if you go to the airports before you leave, they'll sell you a whole cheesecake. When I pour liquid nitrogen over the cheesecake, it freezes it solid as a rock.
It froze it a wee bit too much, you know?
Yeah. Loosen that up, yeah.
Liquid nitrogen oven, liquid nitrogen oven. It's too hot, we freeze the liquid nitrogen, then we put it in the oven to melt it, but we can't cook it because it's got eggs in it, or else it'll turn into scrambled eggs. It's a roller coaster of emotions going through making this cream.
We're gonna figure out dessert, we're gonna fix it, we're gonna get in the oven, we're gonna temper it, we're gonna get back in the food processor. It's gonna be smooth and delicious. I have faith.
Just gotta get it to be creamy again.
3 minutes, 3 to go.
You feel good to start plating entrees? Are the steaks ready?
I feel okay.
I'll work on this. I would say steak on the plate. Then I'm gonna grab and do the dessert plate up.
We got the ribeye down, then we got the panzanella salad that's got the giardiniera with the dried apple rings, and then that beef jus all around it.
Nothing says Chicago like a coffee glaze. Coffee, beef glaze, onions, garlic, oregano.
Oregano, he said.
I don't even know why I said that.
There's a heft to this that feels very throwback. It feels very Midwest sexy. Midwesterners like to eat, y'all.
Now we get to dessert.
To plate this, mint chocolate chip to bring in the Frango mint. Then we put on top some mango sorbet.
How we feeling?
It's mango orange soda sherbet, basically. With a tamarind caramel and like chocolate mint for Frango mints.
I thought adding a dessert was going to be helpful, and then I got concerned that it was going to be harmful. But the way these teams are working, they're just blowing right through it. I'm enjoying myself because I'm getting to sit here and have some salted peanuts. 90 seconds.
My pork chop, it's gorgeous. It actually is more beautiful because it had time to rest. Finish with the salad. That has the Fuji apples and 3-bean salad. Do a little more sauce around it and some shaved Parmigiano Reggiano.
Holy schmoly! What is that monster?
It looks amazing.
1 minute!
My dessert's ready, man. It came together. So I start with a little bit of the crumble. Next goes some of the cheesecake, and then fried peanuts on top.
It's like a trifle.
Almost like a trifle, a cheesecake trifle.
Yeah.
Pretty good looking deconstructed cheesecake, I gotta say.
Dude, that's awesome. I never leave these challenges being like, oh my God, I killed it. I'm like, I did okay, I did enough. We killed it today.
Don't forget your peanuts there, chef.
Hey, you want to do some more boiled peanuts? Just in case they don't taste enough boiled peanut?
No, I think it's fine. It's in the crumble. We're good.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it! New York, Chicago battle's over. All right, judges, here we are. This is the final tasting of our city food fight. Chi-Town versus NYC.
So we decided to do a shout out to both steak dinners from Chicago as well as the Italian beef. So what makes an Italian beef so great? It's on bread, so we have a little bit of that sort of panzanella on the side with a giardiniera, which is just known throughout Chicago. And then for the dessert, we did, again, a shout out to 2 different things known in Chicago. We have the mango nata and then also Frango mints. I took the mangoes with the orange soda and made a quick sort of mango sorbet to go with the chocolate mint ice cream.
That was pretty good.
You're like a little kid that just got to the ice cream
He's
truck.
excited.
Chefs, this is like really a love letter to Chicago.
What do you got for us, gentlemen?
For our entree, we have a pork chop Parmesan done with a little bit of vodka sauce.
We have a New York-style Manhattan cheesecake. We have a pretzel potato chip and twice-cooked boiled peanut crumble and some twice-cooked boiled peanuts right over the top.
Chefs, this really does remind me of the melting pot of New York City. You've got this apple arugula, kind of like highbrow freshness on top of this super like silky tomato sauce with this crunchy, deliciously breaded, cooked perfectly pork chop. I think you guys did really a great job representing that.
The dessert first, it's almost like going to Junior's and getting like their cheesecake in a smoothie.
Judges, thank you. Chefs, hard-fought battle. Let's take a look. Chi-Town. 50 points available, 20 in gameplay, 20 in taste, 10 in plating. 16 out of 20 in gameplay, 17 out of 20 in taste, 9 in plating for a 42, 85 points. Congratulations. 44 more to tie, gentlemen. Out of 20 points, gameplay, 17. Nice, 17 out of 20. Taste, 18 out of 20. Those are the kind of numbers you need. Going to plating. 7 for a 42 and a score of 83. Congratulations, the winners of the city food fight between Chicago, New York. Jonathon Sawyer, Stephanie Izard. Job well done, chefs. Congratulations.